Hello, have you ever had a blowout on a tire? It is not a fun experience. One time I was actually traveling across the country and I had bought all brand new tires for this motorhome, and it was a great trip except for halfway through I had a blowout. Luckily it was the dual axle type, so I didn't completely crash and burn, but a brand new tire blown out, and it was like, what happened? And actually some of the main reasons that a tire can blow out, even if it's perfectly brand new, is improper tire pressures and temperature overheating. So today I want to go over something that could potentially help prevent that type of blowout with the tire minder. This is a really awesome, innovative product that can help link up the tire pressures and monitor those temperatures on your car, on your trailer, and it actually can go up to, it can monitor 22 tires at the same time, which I don't know who has that many tires other than like an 18-wheeler. Obviously they got 18, right? All right, let's take a look what's inside the box. You have a bunch of caps that go on your tire stems, and they're actually wireless transmitters, which is really cool because you don't even have to take the tire off. Like in most cars that you have, they have a tire pressure system, monitoring system, but it's actually inside the tire. So if you ever need to replace them or they go bad, you have to take your whole wheel off, get the tire off the wheel, and replace that. So these are really cool because they just go right on the stems. They just screw on. The main package comes with 4 or 6 of these guys, and then you can buy just these guys and add them if you need more. So that's a really nice ability. Now, this right here is the wireless signal receiver, and this actually you have in your car. And then there's an app you get on your phone that syncs up with this guy. And let's see, what else we got in here? Just coming here, oh, there's a nice little sticker. A little carrying pouch to put all the extras. It comes with 2 sets of batteries actually. So you have an extra battery for each of the caps. Comes with a mount, so you could mount it, one of those suction cup mounts that you could put on your dash or on your windshield, and you could use it for either your phone, holding your phone, because that's where you're going to be monitoring, or you could put this guy on in there so it has a place to live. So there's the rest of the mount, and then this guy here, this is kind of the main signal booster, and this has to be hooked up, installed to a 12-volt battery. So that's kind of more of the installation process that we'd go through doing for you. Or if you're going to do it yourself, you got to get this hooked up to a battery. Comes with a little USB plug that you can plug into this to charge that, and it also comes with a charger. So you got a little charger that can either go into your cigarette lighters, or it even has for 110, so you can charge it at home or something. So, and then you just got some manuals and whatnot, and extra little tools for setting it, hooking everything up. So comes with everything that you need to be able to get yourself set up to start monitoring those tire pressures. So awesome little gadget there, very helpful, and potentially could save you from blowouts. Also, it's just good to know. And the system's set up to do notifications, so it'll actually notify you without you having to actually check it. It will notify it and send you an alert on your phone if you're using the app. It also sends a little notification on here that lights up to tell you if your tire pressure is not where it's supposed to be, if it's gone down too low or too high, and also tell you that if the temperatures are getting out of normal. So that way you can be aware of your tires without having to watch them all the time, and be alerted, so that you can stop and take care of whatever is going on. Temperature wise, maybe a caliper is locked up and you don't notice because your truck is powerful and just pulling the trailer along, and you don't even know that it's happening. But this will alert you, so then you, oh crap, I'm overheating, I should stop. And that way you can fix whatever needs to be fixed and get back on your road, because the blowout is going to cause more damage and take away more time from your trip than monitoring and checking these things. It's very simple, it's very innovative. Here at RVs of America, we can install these on your trailer for you if you were buying a trailer from us and becoming a roamer, or if it's something that you want to do on your trailer you already have. Then down in the description, I put a link. You can click on that link and you can get yourself one of these tire minder setups. All right, I'd like to show you how to program your phone a little bit, just so you can see the features of what that does, because I always like to know as much as possible when it comes to what I'm planning to buy and use, if it's gonna do what I want it to do. So I'm gonna show you a little bit how that works, how to sync it up. All right, this trailer we have right here has the tire minder installed to it, but I'm gonna go over installing the caps and how you sync it all up between the transmitter and your app on your phone. So first you turn on your transmitter. So it turns on, you get a little light, Bluetooth. This has been charging, so I have it all charged up. Then you go to your app. So I pull my app up, and then you'll want to sync it up. And so you see we're flashing because we are synced up. So I've already synced up between these two things. So if you had not synced up at all, you just, when you open the app, you'll just click and it'll ask to sync, and you'll hit sync, and then this light will start flashing because you know you're synced up. So now that I'm synced up, I'm gonna go into the learn mode. So I click on learn, and now I have all these tire positions I can pick from. So I'm gonna go, well, this is my trailer here, and I'm doing the front right. So I'm gonna select that position on there, and now it says learning. So now it wants me to plug one of these guys in. So I'm just gonna twist it on here. Boom. Now we're connected. 83 PSI in that tire. Do it again on the rear one. So I'm gonna say rear. There we go, linked up on that too. And so right now it's actually giving a warning because it's saying we're out of our tire pressure settings. So I can go to baseline and set the tires. See, right now it says it should be at 116. So these tires, the manufacturer recommends 80 PSI. So I'm gonna change that one to 80. And I'm gonna change this one to 80. And now you can see our air, this was flashing red saying that our tire pressure was off. It went away, because now it says I gotta be around 80, which we're within a few PSI from that. Now if we go back home, I can see, well, that tire's got 83, that tire's got 83. And another cool feature you can do, and see it got temperatures too. My front tire is 82 degrees, rear tire is 84 degrees. If I go into the menu though, I can do auto scroll, and it'll actually rotate between the tires every few seconds, so that way I can just be seeing them, monitoring them if I want to be. There you have it. So we could go set up the other tires too. I'm not going to do that right now. We'll do that later. But that is how you get these linked up on your app through the transmitter and onto there. And that gives you tire pressure monitoring and temperature monitoring right here on your phone. And if there is an issue, you heard that beep, and it's going to actually beep and alert you here and on your phone. So very awesome features, very cool. I really like this actually a lot, and I plan to have this on all of my trailers, to be honest. And if you had like an old truck or something that didn't have it either, this could give you tire monitoring on that too, and you'll be able to monitor everything. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate all the time that you spend watching our videos. We hope that we are helping you learn and grow and be more aware of what's out there and what you can have with your trailer, what you can do with your trailers. And hopefully we'll see you on our next Roamer adventure. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.